Throat and neck sign and symptoms. Ito po, magandang topic natin, goiter. Goiter. A discussion of goiter is relevant in interrogation as well as observation. When there is a history of it or when the patient had a goiter, but has undergone an operation to remove it. By itself, goiter is always a sign of phlegm. Very frequently, the pathology of phlegm is combined with chest stagnation in the throat. This is not always related to the liver, but may be related to the lungs and the stomach too. In chronic cases, there is always an underlying deficiency of Qi and or Yin, which may cause the goiter to go up and down. Goiter is closely related to the liver and lung channel, and liver fire combination with phlegm is frequent cause of it. Finally, in chronic cases, phlegm may also combine with blood stasis to cause goiter. In case of liver fire and blood stasis, the goiter would be hard. In all other cases, it would feel soft to palpitation. So, summary po natin, pag ang goiter ay caused by phlegm, pag kinapa po ninyo yan, ay lard and soft. So, pag chest stagnation naman po ang causes with phlegm, merong irritability yung inyong pasyente, merong depression, ang goiter size ay varying according to the mood. So, pwedeng lumalaki yan, lumiliit. Kung nagagalit, mas malaki. Yin deficiency with phlegm. So, small goiter lang po ito. At lumalala yan sa pagod, tiredness. Pag ang goiter ay due to liver fire with phlegm, matigas po yung goiter pag kinano nyo kinapa. Then, lagi po mayroon siyang irritability. Pag liver blood stasis naman po ang causes with phlegm, so hard goiter po ito. Then, pag tinignan nyo ang dila ay purple po yung kanyang tongue. So, the most common cause of goiter is liver Qi stagnation with phlegm, usually occurring against a background of spleen Qi deficiency. It may also be caused by phlegm and blood stasis, liver fire blazing with phlegm or heat, or heart and liver yin deficiency with phlegm. So, ayan po, laki-laki na picture ng may goiter. So, if the goiter is due to Qi stagnation and phlegm, relatively soft and large goiter with indistinct margins. Normal skin color, not painful, feeling of oppression of the chest, feeling of lump in the throat, sighing, sputum in the throat, hypochondrial distension, irritability in swollen tongue, and wiry pulse. So, acupuncture po natin ay stomach 40, run 12, run 9, run 5, bladder 22, liver 3, run 23, and stomach 11. So, if the goiter is due to liver fire blazing with phlegm heat, small or medium-sized goiter that is relatively soft and slithery under the fingers. Headache, exophthalmos, yun yung bulging of the eyeballs. Red face, dizziness, tinnitus, irritability, propensity to outburst of anger, thirst, bitter taste, constipation, dark urine, barking cup with sticky yellow or green sputum. Then there is shortness of breath. Ito yung mga lumalabas na pala yung mata. Wheezing, a feeling of oppression of the chest, a feeling of heat, insomnia, agitation, swollen and red tongue with reader side and tip, wiry, slippery, rapid pulse. So, acupuncture po natin ang liver 2, stomach 40, REN 12, REN 9, REN 5, bladder 22, liver 3, REN 23, stomach 11, and large intestine 11. The liver Qi stagnation, spleen Qi deficiency, and phlegm. So yung goiter po ay large and soft. So may depression, irritability, feeling of lump in the throat, difficulty in swallowing, feeling of oppression or distension of the chest, and hypochondria, moodiness, premenstrual tension, nausea, vomiting or watery fluid, tiredness, poor appetite, a feeling of heaviness, weak limb, loose stool, pale complexion, cold limbs, pale swollen tongue with sticky coating. Then the saggy or weak and slightly slippery or wiry pulse. So, acupuncture po natin, liver 3, brain 12, stomach 36, bladder 20, stomach 40, brain 9, brain 5, bladder 22, brain 23, and stomach 11. So, blood stasis and phlegm. Relatively hard goiter, matigas po. With distinct margin. Nodules on the thyroid. Dark skin colors. Painful goiter. A feeling of oppression of the chest. Headache. Insomnia. Anxiety. Chest or abdominal pain. Sputum in the throat. Purple and swollen tongue. Sticky coating. Samples po ay wiry and slippery. Heart and liver yield. Deficiency with phlegm. So chronic goiter po yan. That may be large or small and relatively soft with slow onset. So there is tremor of the hands. Pag pinapataas po natin yung kamay, nanginginig yan. Palpitation, insomnia, dream disturbed sleep, anxiety, dry mouth and throat. So may night sweating po siya, may dizziness, tapos numbness or tingling of the limbs. Then blurred vision, floaters in the eyes, dry eyes, scanty menstruation, pale complexion, but with red cheekbones, withered and brittle nails, dry skin and hair, normal colored swollen tongue without coating, fine or floating empty pulse. So clinical note, goiter is by definition due to phlegm. Thank you po for your attention.